It is better to get more aware about what's happening in the market than feeling that, oh, why are you telling me I understand it better? And I must not say everybody has to be greedy, but the greed has to be calibrated. You have to keep your eyes and ear open. Erstwhile days, it was very simple. You have money, go and buy a piece of land.
Correct.
Go buy gold. If not, put into bank deposits. Financialization of savings has actually made everybody think, and the size of the challenge and opportunity has significantly changed in the last 15 years. One has got 1 lakh and he has so many options today. One has got 1,000 crore, he has so many options today. The net, I think temperament in investment management is one of the biggest thing I found. That
Temperament.
And वो temperament का मतलब ये है कि are you patient enough to pan out your investment thesis to get you to the best compounding machine which actually would serve your purpose of wealth growing. And for that, are you willing to allocate your money? हमें सबको गुलाब जाम बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, पर अगर हम सिर्फ गुलाब जाम खाए तो वो खाना नहीं होता. खाना खाने के लिए पूरी थाली होनी चाहिए. सो वैसे ही आपकी वेल्थ को अगर आप समझ पाए कि कौन सी वेल्थ लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए है, कौन सी वेल्थ मिड टर्म के लिए है, कौन सी वेल्थ इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म वेल्थ, एंड व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट प्लेस, investing has become complicated. So getting somebody across to you and making you aware is not something you don't understand wealth. It is better to get more aware about what's happening in the market than feeling that, oh, why are you telling me I understand it better? In investment management, you have to keep your eyes and ear open while investing. You don't have to trust either any of your advisor or wealth manager blindly. You have to also do your some understanding of what are you getting into. Correct? When you know that what are you getting into, what is your temperament, and how long you are going to be here, how much you are expecting the returns out of the whole thing, I think it becomes, this whole complex problem becomes simpler. Whether you are a young investor or whether mid-sized investor or a large investor, a risking ability has increased. People are getting, and I must not say everybody has to be greedy, but the greed has to be calibrated. I think we are becoming more speculative. We are becoming more greedy. We are not really happy to listen to the risk management. We are not very happy to come and say that this is not real. And if something goes haywire, are you prepared? We are illusionarily believing that what is happening today is going to continue for a long period of time. For example, agar BSE 500 index has made 40% return last year, doesn't mean that it is a replicable part of the story. But somebody has to bail the cat. Somebody has to say that there are few years you would see this kind of returns, but these returns need to be digested in a manner in which it doesn't really impact your portfolio as a whole. So your concentration, your allocation to manager to asset classes has to be planned. And then it becomes a rocket science. And this rocket science, to make it simple, is get into something what you understand. If you don't understand, learn it. Don't do it blind.